Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Snapchat and going straight to Settings, Logins, and Security. You need an up-to-date app and a biometric or hardware security key available. This is why we prepared them. Tap Passkeys and choose Create New Passkey to start. Once done, Snapchat will prompt biometric verification or a hardware prompt. Perform it now. This ties your passkey to the device and account, preventing passwords from being reused and reducing phishing risk. After initial creation, you'll name the passkey and decide whether to sync it through your device account, such as iCloud Keychain or Google Password Manager. Make that choice based on whether you want seamless cross-device login. Next, add a backup device or generate recovery codes. Do this before signing out. Once configured, Snapchat shows the passkey in your login methods and will prefer it over passwords, which makes future logins faster and more secure. Finish by signing out and testing the passkey sign-in to confirm everything works. This verifies sync and authentication. If the passkey fails, use your recorded recovery codes or a designated backup device to get back in and then recreate the passkey. Make sure device software and Snapchat remain updated. If problems persist, delete the faulty passkey in Settings Passkeys and recreate it. Doing so resolves most mismatches between device and account states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.